How to download Upwork application on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're looking to use Upwork on your iPhone, you can download the official Upwork app directly from the App Store. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open your App Store. Once you're inside the App Store, tap the search icon at the bottom right corner. In the search bar at the top, type in Upwork. Once you make a search for it, look for this Upwork application from Upwork Global Inc. and tap on the Get button. Go ahead and authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, and this will begin the download process. Wait for the application to install. Once the application installs, tap on Open, and there you have successfully downloaded and installed the Upwork application on your iPhone. Just go ahead and sign into your existing account or create a new one. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.